Next question 1. Which of the following is often a reason for criticism of the Indian judiciary? A. Judicial activism. B. Judicial corruption and delay in justice. C. Lack of judges' independence. D. Political interference. The correct answer is B. Judicial corruption and delay in justice. Explanation: the Indian judiciary is often criticized for long case pendency and lack of transparency in appointments. Next question 2. When did India officially begin its nuclear program? A. 1950. B. 1947. C. 1948. D. 1964. The correct answer is C. 1948. Explanation: India's nuclear program began in 1948 with the establishment of the Atomic Energy Commission under Homi J. Bhabha. Next question 3. What is the main purpose of an electoral roll in India? A. To list political parties. B. To record the names of eligible voters. C. To count votes. D. To manage polling booths. The correct answer is B. To record the names of eligible voters. Explanation: the electoral roll lists all citizens eligible to vote in elections and ensures fair participation in democracy. Next question 4. Who received the Nobel Prize in 2025 as per current updates? A. To be announced. B. Given to 2024 winners. C. Postponed. D. None. The correct answer is A. To be announced. Explanation: Nobel Prizes for 2025 are usually announced in October each year across various categories. Next question 5. France is located in which part of Europe? A. Eastern Europe. B. Northern Europe. C. Western Europe. D. Southern Europe. The correct answer is C. Western Europe. Explanation: France lies in Western Europe and shares borders with Germany, Spain, Italy, and Belgium. Next question 6. Why is Sabrimala often in discussion? A. Temple entry issue for women. B. Natural disaster. C. Political protest. D. Religious festival. The correct answer is A. Temple entry issue for women. Explanation: the Sabrimala temple in Kerala became controversial over the entry of women of menstruating age. Next question 7. What percentage of reservation is given to scheduled castes (SC) in India? A. 10%. B. 15%. C. 7.5%. D. 27%. The correct answer is B. 15%. Explanation: in India, 15% reservation is provided to scheduled castes under the constitutional policy of affirmative action. Next question 8. What is the original language of the Indian Constitution? A. Sanskrit. B. Hindi. C. English. D. Both Hindi and English. The correct answer is C. English. Explanation: the Indian Constitution was originally written in English and later translated into Hindi for official use. Next question 9. What does the Indian Medical Association Act deal with? A. Regulating medical education. B. Recognizing doctors and medical ethics. C. Controlling drug prices. D. Managing hospitals. The correct answer is B. Recognizing doctors and medical ethics. Explanation: the Indian Medical Association governs medical professionals and ensures ethical practices in healthcare. Next question 10. India is the largest producer of which fish species? A. Tuna. B. Catla. C. Rohu. D. Hilsa. The correct answer is C. Rohu. Explanation: India's fisheries sector is one of the largest in the world, with rohu being a major freshwater species. Next question 11. Israel is located on which continent? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. D. Australia. The correct answer is B. Asia. Explanation: Israel is situated in Western Asia, on the eastern shore of the Mediterranean Sea. Next question 12. Euthanasia in India is legal under which condition? A. Voluntary passive euthanasia with court approval. B. Active euthanasia. C. On doctor's request. D. Fully illegal. The correct answer is A. Voluntary passive euthanasia with court approval. Explanation: The Supreme Court of India legalized passive euthanasia under strict judicial supervision in 2018. Next question 13. The POCSO Act is related to which issue? A. Human trafficking. B. Child sexual abuse. C. Domestic violence. D. Gender equality. The correct answer is B. Child sexual abuse. Explanation: The POCSO Act 2012 provides legal protection to children from sexual offenses. Next question 14. What are bacteria? A. Multicellular organisms. B. Single-celled microorganisms. C. Fungi. D. Parasites. The correct answer is B. Single-celled microorganisms. Explanation: Bacteria are microscopic single-celled organisms found everywhere. Some are useful, while others cause disease. Next question 15. What was the Sonowal Agreement related to? A. Assam illegal migration issue. B. Border dispute with China. C. River water sharing. D. Environmental protection. The correct answer is A. Assam illegal migration issue. Explanation: The Sonowal Agreement was linked to the implementation of citizenship and migration control measures in Assam. Next question 16. Coal India Limited is a company under which ministry? A. Ministry of Power. B. Ministry of Coal. C. Ministry of Environment. D. Ministry of Petroleum. The correct answer is B. Ministry of Coal. Explanation: Coal India Limited is a public sector company under the Ministry of Coal and is the world's largest coal producer. Next question 17. Bangladesh is bordered by which Indian states? A. West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. B. Sikkim, Bihar, West Bengal. C. Assam, Manipur. D. West Bengal only. The correct answer is A. West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. Explanation: Bangladesh shares its longest border with India through 5 northeastern states. Next question 18. Why has Lebanon recently been in news? A. Economic crisis and political instability. B. Sports event. C. New government formation. D. Trade agreement. The correct answer is A. Economic crisis and political instability. Explanation: Lebanon is facing a severe economic collapse, political paralysis, and social unrest since 2019.